Hey guys, before this video begins, you know exactly what I'm about to say. We are having another major giveaway on the 26th of December. Only difference is this time two people will be walking away with 2,000 rand each. Yes, you heard that right. Two people will be walking away with 2,000 rand each on the 26th of December on Christmas Day. So if you're interested, you know exactly what you need to do. Make sure that you comment something, hit that like and that subscribe button. Something worthwhile, something meaningful, something that can capture somebody's eye, and you might be the lucky person walking away with over 2,000 rand in their bank account on Christmas Day. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 850 rand per day in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune with our newest videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing that you need to do is that you need to go online and type mindswarms.com and you should get to this page. As it says here, ask questions and get video answers. Help innovate your brand by using mobile video surveys to understand the emotions of your customers. So this is pretty much a website where you pretty much make money by doing surveys and all kinds of things. But before we begin that, let me show you the details. As it says here, MindSwarm's video survey platform that offers 3 ways to help understand the emotions of customers. So this is pretty much a thing that really heavily focuses on people's opinions and how people respond to certain surveys and what they say. So as it says here guys, after it says that by DIU, it says quickly surface insights you need to innovate your brand with our DIY research platform. You provide participants. We provide easy to use video survey and AL tools to get research done. Now you do not need to understand anything that I'm reading right now. The only thing that you need to know guys is what this website or rather app is all about. So I'm just going to skim through all of this. You can fast forward if you like. So I'm just going to skim through past all of this so you don't really need to know. But what I will tell you is the brands that they align themselves with. Brands such as Nike, 72 and Sunny, Versaton and Google. These are the different types of apps that they have aligned themselves with. So I guess you can say they are a very credible website. So what I want you to do guys is that I want you to go at the top. It's very hard for people to find these options, so just make sure that you follow through everything I'm doing. Click on the get a demo full service, and after that you have 2 options: the I want to hire MindSource to conduct, or I want to earn money by participating in a study, and that is the one that you need to choose. After you press that button, you will get to Play Store where you can download MindSwarms, and after you download MindSwarms, they will tell you exactly how to do it, how to go about the surveys and what you need to do. So just make sure you follow my instructions guys and everything that I did, and you should be okay. Anyways guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button if you made it to the end of the video. I will see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Peace.